Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called Lumens XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Stellar Lumens. One cryptocurrency that even this skeptic is buying. Admit it. I've never really been on the cryptocurrency train. While I can fully appreciate the potential of crypto's underlying blockchain technology, simply creating an unlimited number of alternative, unregulated currencies out of thin air sets the stage for disaster. Everything prompts a reaction of some sort sooner or later. Often, those reactions are unforeseen and undesirable outcomes. However, there are a couple of up-and-comers that have caught my eye of late. Of the two in question, I might end up actually taking a shot on Stellar Lumen, Crypto, XLM. The clear purpose, that makes perfect sense ever since they moved into the mainstream. One of my chief hangups with cryptocurrencies has been their limited degree of practical use. For crypto to be a successful alternative to fiat money, enough sellers must be willing to accept it as payment, and enough buyers must be willing to use it as a means of payment. That has been the underlying reason so many cryptocurrencies and related stocks have been struggling of late. Not enough participants can agree on which of a plethora of altcoins out there are the ones to commonly utilize. Most of the early ones were established without a particular usage in mind. Stellar Lumens, to be precise, isn't hampered by this philosophical flaw. Established back in 2014 on its own built-in token called the Lumen, Stellar's network is built from the ground up to allow large organizations to do cost-effective cross-border business with ease. And they have. Over the course of the past 7 years, the platform has facilitated over 450 million transactions, allowing payers to make payments in their local currency and payment recipients to receive payments in their local currency. The coolest part is that Stellar works with any currency, fiat and otherwise. The stablecoin United States dollars coin, for instance, is also compatible with the Stellar network. Stellar Lumens is in good company, and limited supply. It remains to be seen whether Stellar Lumens will end up being one of the world's preferred cryptos, a requirement if there's to be any hope for the and safe applications to their users. The post adds that bringing smart contracts to Stellar is not a departure from the original vision, and adds smart contracts on it will need to be secure for users and can scale without exorbitant network fees. If properly implemented, it adds, smart contracts on Stellar would be set apart from those of other networks. This as well, smart contracts aren't new. Stellar could implement them based on what's been tested in the broader industry. The post reads, in SDF's 2022 roadmap, we're committed to doing the research, shepherding the code development, and working with the Stellar community to build a smart contract implementation this year. In the post, the SDF also calls for the collaboration of its ecosystem of developers. In a tweet, Tomer Weller, VP of Technological Strategy at Stellar, detailed Stellar enables equitable access to the financial system. DeFi decentralized finance is becoming a major part of that system. Weller added that, while decentralized finance isn't new to Stellar as the protocol has a built-in decentralized exchange to it, it's being taken to the next level. Weller added that smart contracts are coming to Stellar with three main considerations: safety, scalability, and equitable access. To the exec, there's nothing off the shelf that fits the bill, but Stellar is looking to launch its smart contracts by the end of 2022. And second news today about Ripple competitor announces plans to roll out smart contracts in 2022. Ripple competitor Stellar, XLM, is announcing plans to roll out smart contracts later this year. Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, ecosystem head Justin Rice says smart contracts will enable a new suite of products and services on Stellar. There's a lot of work to be done to get there, but at SDF we're committed to researching and shepherding the development of the code and creating community engagement around an implementation. The goal is to have Stellar remain one of the most accessible networks for developers, so they can deliver high-quality and safe applications to their users, while also allowing it to adapt and respond to the competitive blockchain landscape. Stellar is an open network for storing and moving money. The project's native token, XLM, is used as a bridge currency between two fiat currencies when sending money abroad. XLM is trading at $0.192945 at time of writing, down 2.37% in the past 24 hours. Tomer Weller, the vice president of tech strategy at Stellar, outlines the rough timeline for smart contract implementation in a new tweet. We're aiming for a feature-complete test network by the end of 2022. Ultimately, the ecosystem will decide if and when to turn on smart contracts on Stellar. In October, the SDF announced a new partnership with the payments giant MoneyGram to use the Stellar blockchain to facilitate cross-border payments. MoneyGram had previously entered into a partnership with Ripple, a Stellar competitor, in June 2019 for foreign exchange settlements and cross-border payments. However, the payments giant suspended its use of XRP payments this past February in the wake of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) lawsuit against Ripple. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar XLM a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023, XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024, volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025, XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Stellar, XLM, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $1.19.